Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. In today's video, I'm sharing how you can engrave aluminum with the Cricut Maker. For this project, I am using a Cricut aluminum sheet and the engraving tip. Be sure to remove the protective sheet before starting. You will need a strong grip mat and painter's tape to secure the material to the mat. Don't forget to move the wheels all the way to the right so that they do not dent your sheet. For this design, I am making a Millennium Falcon for my son's Star Wars themed room. This project took quite a while, but I love how it turned out. Before removing the cutting mat, remove the small aluminum fragments with the Lint Roller. You don't want to forget this step. Now you can leave the design as is, but I really wanted the engraving to show, so I covered the design in black acrylic paint. Then carefully remove the excess with a rag. This helped define the engraving details. Once you have cleaned up the edges, you can now mount it. I'm using a command strip to adhere it to this wood plank sign. And that's it! What do you think? I love it and it looks great in my son's room. I hope you will try out this project and please let me know what you think by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe to more weekly Cricut videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time!